Hello, future developers and designers. So, welcome to the continuation of our previous lesson. That's our UI UX for the news website. Okay, that's for agriculture. So, this was what we were able to do in our previous lesson. Okay, but this is what we actually want to achieve. Okay. So, this was what we were able to do now in our previous lesson. So, now let's work on something quickly. So, I'll check the spacing here is 11. So, the spacing between the so first, remember the spacing between this, okay, this text and then this text is 39, okay. So I'm going to group them, okay, Control G to group them, so they are now one object and then I can move them, okay. So Control Z, and then let's see the spacing here between this text and then this particular UI, okay. So with the help of the Alt key, so it's 11, so I'm going to do that, okay, and I'm going to move it up so I get 11, 11, okay, yeah. So that's fine. So all I have to do now is to copy this, Control D to duplicate it. So Control D. This the spacing should be. Let me check the spacing first. 49. Okay. Okay. So 49. I'm going to. Okay. So 49. Okay. Another Control D on this. Bring it down. Sorry. What happened? Okay. 49. Control D. Bring this down. Okay. 49. Okay, so let's preview it and see. So there's what we have now. So all we have to do now is to just go here. Let's look for some farm things. Let's say harvest. Okay, so pixel B. Okay, you go to pixel B. I think let's change here to rather photos. Okay, not illustrations. Okay, so I want this. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, choose copy image, not copy image address. Okay, so copy image. I will go to our project and then I can just double click here, right click and then choose paste here. I'll do same. The purpose of time, I'm just going to choose anything that's readily available. Copy image, go here, double click, right click, click paste here. Then you can do same for this particular one. Okay, so let's just do that. So, so let's see what we want. So copy image and then I'm going here and then paste here. Okay, oops, why isn't it showing? It's taking time to show. Okay, so it's now showing. Yeah, so this is what we've been able to achieve. Okay, and yeah, so it looks nice and it's okay. So in the next lesson we'll actually work on this and then that should be it for our UI for this particular news application. Okay, websites. Okay, so thank you and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you, and remember, do remember to change the text accordingly. Okay.